So the tips that I give to a first timer is to be confident, be neutral, and also just be yourself. You don't need to like fake your experience or whatsoever. They just want to know who you are. We'll be able to be a team player and also work with other people in an environment where it's a call center.
The main thing that I enjoy about working at a call center is being in a diverse environment, meeting new people, exploring new things, and just learning about other cultures and other countries, because we do work with countries that are outside of South Africa.
It has really boosted my communication skills, so I can say. And also another thing that I was able to get out of this place is the fact that I was able to buy land for myself. Like, that's a very big benefit that I actually got from here. I would say gift rather than a benefit, but yeah, that is one thing that I was able to do for myself out of this place.